are headed to a national competition after designing and building top-notch model bridges.
WTVA's Robert Byers talked with some of the team members who are being introduced to the world of engineering. It is this week's assignment education.
Students at Tupelo Middle School discussed with their teachers the model bridges they recently built.
So he shaved it down to save weight, but yet those were weak points when he crushed it on the test.
Newspaper and
2 teams from Tupelo Middle and 2 from Tupelo High are soon headed with their entries to a national competition to compete with other teams from around the country.
The students drew the bridges in Model Smart 3D and tested them, and then actually built the bridges and did a trial test to see how the bridges would crush. And once they saw how this activity took place, they went back and made modifications to their final designs and were able to rebuild the bridges.
A national transportation group sponsors the bridge building competition, and each team starts with only a small kit that includes the materials to build a model.
You just had to play around with the program and decide what it functions as, and then trial and error and see what happens.
We designed it to be aesthetically pleasing, and we just took the trusses and put them in key areas where we thought the weight would fall, and we tried to make sure that it would hold the most that it could using just the least amount of materials.
The Tupelo teams are representing the entire state in the competition. Boonville Middle School also took part in earlier stages of the competition. The teacher says it's an excellent way to introduce students to a wide variety of career opportunities in the field of engineering.
They're learning more about math, engineering skills, technology that's available to help the students and to help engineers in the real field work with different types of materials and structures and structural engineering.
The students compete in Michigan this May for top honors. In
That
Tupelo,
wasn't
Robert
really
Byers,
on the
WTVA News.